We got Joel 5.0 today.
What's up?
And so, Joel got news that his wheels have come in for the FoxBody, and some of you guys kind of like watching the FoxBody stuff, which is cool. So I'm gonna make a video on picking up the wheels and maybe test fitting them. I'm not sure, but we also got my carbon driven side skirts.
That's why I don't sponsor you. You wonder why, and that's why I can't even pronounce.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
Are you looking at the tint or what?
Yeah.
Everyone
needs to get that fixed.
Everyone's saying I need to get new tint.
Everybody give him a hard time in the comments, because that,
Everyone always does. I might get it redone. Go darker?
Good. Fuck, what, the limo tint?
Limo tint around the whole car. No, I'm just kidding, but we got my side skirts in, so maybe we might do that today. That might be a separate video because it's two different things. But we're at the HH Race House, and we're going to get it popping, and we'll see if we get the wheels today. So hopefully we get some food because I'm hungry.
Yes.
Early at 90.
It's a chick driving it.
Yeah, she got custom plates that say count more special.
What the hell is this dude walking? What the? It's an old guy.
Can't even catch up.
I know. What the?
Hey, my truck's pretty fast too, so.
Yeah, she.
She's like, what is this guy doing? I don't know, she'll take off.
That's hella funny.
Alright guys, so my cousin just showed up, and he has this this Civic right here. It used to be Mikey's. If you guys seen the videos, Mikey's in the video.
What color do you want, Mikey? I gotta see, man. What?
I better get paid for this video. This thing has a B18. There's Alex's.
Man, this is my roots right here.
It's GSR barred. So.
Do I look good in it?
Huh?
It fits me.
Yeah. I mean, you
I
look.
think the cover's
You look legit. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can see you with a bowl of rice in here eating it. So he's gonna go back to his roots. It's barred. Just has like an intake and exhaust, but we're gonna see how he likes it in his natural habitat. All right, so
we're in the VTEC.
this thing has about 116 to the rear wheels. I mean front wheels. My bad. I'm used to the rear wheel drive.
I'm not used to this.
This thing, but let me tell you, this thing is so fast that we're already going 60, okay? Let me tell you something, already going 60.
How do you skip this?
And then premium racing seats.
I can't, this is not, okay, where's reverse?
Look at the...
Why is the wheel locked? No power steering?
There's no power steering. Yeah, because check it out, with these cars, right? Basically, you want to go fast, you delete the power steering because you need that to go fast.
To how many?
It's just, yeah, that should be reverse right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're good. It's super, it's easy to drive.
As it should, that's reverse?
It's super easy to drive, you're good. Just do it, yeah. It's stupid easy to drive.
Oh, the rice.
No, I'm not gonna lie. In all
Sounds kind of cool.
In all seriousness, it's probably like the best daily driver, but I mean, I don't know. I can't turn the fucking wheel. Come on, young. Use those thin arms. Okay, come on now. The power steering only sucks when you're taking off, but when you're driving it, like you really can't notice.
Okay, off tops, I just like the transmission.
Okay, well. Yeah,
we need to get the
I'm just talking shit.
No, I swear to God, I need to get, I don't care. No welds, transmission. Wait, is this a?
No, it's a dead end.
Wait, is it?
Yeah, it's a dead end.
Should we just keep going?
Yeah, you can. Test out the steering. Do a loop right here. Yeah. So we're currently doing about $140.
I fit in this car. People are like, man, if it's
so look, if you I mean you can tell Asian and then you see the Honda, it's just like this is more legit.
The rice is real.
Yeah. I mean this looks pretty much how it should.
Fits me, right? Yeah. The Asian gang.
Asian gang.
Should go right, left?
Yeah, right. So far, how do you like it?
I just like it because it has a. Oh my God, there's no brakes.
That's race car.
Should go right?
Yeah, right. Okay.
VTEC.
Ah, shit.
That feels Just like for a daily. Yeah.
Yeah, for a daily, it'd be cool.
We'll go.
You can make a right and go right again.
Yeah, for a daily. Yeah.
Yeah. He's staring him down. Why is he staring him down?
Staring down Abraham? Hella.
You might have to knock him out. Why is he on his phone?
On the cops, G.
I have to hit him with the 2-piece real quick. For real, I want to him.
I'll 2-1 him.
Oh, this is for SVT gang right here. So I seen this. Alex don't even know. This is wetter than his right here. Look. Oh, you need a fatter zoom lens.
I'll zoom in on it.
But that's Sonic Blue right there with a carbon fiber fender. Check that out. How do you feel? How do you feel about that?
Hey,
look, all over
man,
you.
same man. I think the Cobra, it'll still always be superior.
Do they know about the
Yeah. Are those them? Oh shit. You like them? He said that's crazy. What the hell was that? Oh, and they mounted it probably.
Sony?
Huh?
Like Sony? Crazy, crazy.
Yeah, it looks kind of fat.
These are the rears?
Huh?
These are the rears?
have like a pretty good lip.
Huh?
Yeah, the front still have a good lip.
Yeah, the fronts? Yeah.
Get two.
I'll try to. Cameraman. Hey, you should black out your center caps.
Black them out?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh my.
Alright, man.
Black out the ESR part.
Fuck that.
That would look sick. That's what I did with mine.
Look at the parts runner right here. Put it in work. Put it in work. If you guys ever wondered how we picked up parts and this and that, this is it right here. And then
Towed the trailer been out, or towed the Shelby been out the
for the E85 right there.
Oh god. Yo, my legs chopped off.
30s.
I think those are 35s.
Yeah.
Barely even bigger than yours.
Man, you need a Dual 5.0. How do you feel?
I'm worried when you stick out a lot.
Well, do you think they'll fit? Moment of truth. This is a thumbnail right here.
Okay. Ah, that looks perfect.
Man, I kind of like these OEMs a little bit. Those look so good, dude. That lip,
Yeah.
like they didn't look, like I didn't think they'd look that good. Like off the car, they didn't look that good, but like on the car, they look so good.
Yo, look at that. Look at the lip.
Yeah, that's just nice.
Oh, snap. I was gonna say, it looked like it was a little.
Yeah. Cut the tag off.
The color of the car later.
Yeah, let's
Or even just put an SVT sticker on it. Like,
Yeah.
Or like a Ford.
let's make a poll. Should Joel do something with the center cap? I say you should.
How does it? It looks like it clears everything back there too.
Oh shit, how's it fit?
Oh. Oh.
Perfect.
Yeah, check this tag out.
You gotta roll it.
Let me see this. Let me see this fit.
This tag, hold on. This tag is good.
Oh shit.
my
Yeah,
God.
definitely do not drive it though.
Yeah.
Definitely do
Wait,
not
what
drive
the
it.
heck?
What?
Am I tripping or is there something like
That was probably the fluid when they mounted the tire. That looks pretty good, dude.
Oh. Hey.
You like it?
Good. Yeah.
That looks clean.
That looks good. Man, that looks good. Oh my god. Dude, that looks good.
That's when I got my Rovos kind of look.
Oh my god, I can't believe it's going all the way around. Jesus. Holy
That shit's
crap,
nice.
That looks good.
God damn it.
Wow.
Well, Joel's sitting in the driver's seat, so you guys know what's going on now. Transmission broke.
No, you're in second. Oh, you're in first.
Put that in.
You're
Put the clutch in. Put the
in.
clutch in.
Oh yeah, you're in second.
Was I?
Yeah, no. Look.
Let me drive.
Now you're in first.
Oh shit! Hold up.
Nice, huh?
We need that that satisfying.
Like that.
All right, guys. So in this video, you guys saw Joel get his new wheels on the Fox. But before I end the video, me and Joel, or I more importantly kind of want to talk about it. Joel can elaborate on it, but I want to talk about some of the comments that you guys have been saying. Like, a lot of people have. That's your mom. That's your mom. Sorry for that little interruption. Or Joel SVT had to take some business. But I want to talk about some of the comments. Some people have been saying stuff about like how I claim I'm saying like, oh, I want to get a new transmission. I addressed this in the other video. But I also want to say, when people say these things, I think it's completely dumb because first of all, they don't even know who we are to the full extent. Like, you guys see the videos that we do and whatnot, and you guys think we're some spoiled rich kids and stuff like that.
It's not like that.
And it's not that case. Like, we actually, like, we work our ass off to do this stuff. Like, it's not easy. And you guys obviously just see the highlights of what we do in these videos, which is, that's what YouTube's all about. I show all the good parts of our lives, but you guys don't see the other half of us.
Pretty much all the grinding and everything that goes into like being able to buy this stuff.
Yeah. And I've been working this past year, and Joel just started working recently. And
I did stuff before that, but
yeah, he did stuff. Point is that when people make judgments based on basically my age and stuff like that, it just pisses me off because at the end of the day, I'm the one putting in work. Editing takes time.
Oh yeah, that
and
takes
you guys
a long
don't even
time.
know. I edited videos throughout these past two years, non-stop.
I remember. I mean, I did YouTube for a little bit, and like I knew like like you don't understand until you've like sat down and like behind a computer and put in hours of editing. Like you really don't know like how much time it takes.
Like I spend hours editing these videos for you guys, and like some people just be like, oh, you're spoiled, blah blah blah, and. Obviously, some people are skilled at editing. Some people are skilled at making fucking toilets or some shit. Like, it just like
different professions.
It doesn't matter. Like, I'm doing what I can at my age to make money.
Yeah.
Just as Joel is right
exactly.
now.
Yeah.
And some people just like have a hard time understanding like these things are attainable. You just gotta work your ass off. You know.
Yeah.
Like, that's all I have to say. But with that being said, we're gonna wrap up the video. I didn't want to end it off on a negative note, but I thought it should be something that's addressed. Yeah. Joel got his new wheels for the Fox.
Yeah.
And we'll end it.
Hey, let me know what you guys think.
Yeah.
All right. Positive or negative, doesn't matter. I just want to know what you guys think. I like it. I don't care.
I think it looks
I don't care what nobody says. I like them.
Honestly, I think it looks better in person too. If it shows up weird.
It looks great. As a stance of and everything. I'm happy for it.
Yeah.
I like it.
But we'll end the video off with some cinematic shots. And we will catch you guys next time. So I hope you guys are watching this little video. And peace out. And I'm not going to say it.
Keep moving forward. Sean TJ Hunt. Peace.